Looking for a flooring solution that combines style, versatility, and durability? Discover the benefits of carpet tiles, the perfect choice for modern homes and offices. Carpet tiles offer endless design possibilities. With a variety of colors, patterns, and textures, you can mix and match to create a unique look that reflects your style. No more long, complicated installations. With carpet tiles, it's quick and hassle-free. Simply lay them down, and you've got a beautiful new floor in no time. Whether you're upgrading your home office, refreshing your living room, or creating a vibrant workspace, carpet tiles bring style and comfort to any room. Visit our showroom to explore our wide selection of carpet tiles. Our experts will help you find the perfect match for your home or office. Ready to transform your space with the versatility of carpet tiles? Contact us or visit our website today.